Hey friends, welcome to today's Singapore Market Digest. I'm Wei from the Investing Iguana, and today we're looking at some interesting movements in the Singapore market. Let's dive right in. Let's start with Thai Beverage, or Thai Bev, one of Southeast Asia's largest beverage companies. Founded in 2003, the Thai Bev is known for its iconic Chang beer and a diverse portfolio of spirits, non-alcoholic beverages, and food products. Despite being based in Thailand, it chose to list on the Singapore Exchange due to restrictions on alcohol-related stocks in Thailand. Yesterday, Thai Bev reported a 2.4% revenue growth for the first quarter ending December 31st, 2024, reaching 92.3 billion baht, approximately $3.7 billion. This growth was driven by strong sales in its beer, non-alcoholic beverages, and food segments. However, weaker performance in its spirits division offset these gains. Investors didn't seem too thrilled. Shares dropped by $0.15 or 2.9%, closing at $0.50. In terms of trading volume, ThaiBev saw moderate activity yesterday as investors digested the mixed results. From a technical perspective, the stock is hovering near its support level of $0.50. If it breaks below this level, we could see further downside pressure. Looking at the broader industry context, ThaiBev faces stiff competition from regional players like Heineken and Singa in the beer market while contending with shifting consumer preferences toward healthier beverage options. With its diversified portfolio and strong market presence, ThaiBev remains a key player to watch. Next up is Civmec Limited, an Australian-based construction and engineering services firm listed on the SGX. Civmec operates across industries like energy, resources, infrastructure, and defense. For the first half of its fiscal year ending December 31st, 2024, Civmec reported a net profit decline of 16.9%, falling to a $22.5 million from a $31.9 million a year ago. The drop was attributed to lower gross margins and higher administrative expenses. Earnings per share also dipped from a 0.0629 to a 0.0521 loss during this period. On a brighter note, Civmec declared an interim dividend of a 0.25 per share. Shares closed down 2.8% yesterday at 1.05 after this announcement. Trading volume spiked as investors reacted to the earnings miss, indicating short-term bearish sentiment. From a technical standpoint, Civmec's stock has been trading within a narrow range between $1 and $1.10 over recent weeks. The current price-to-earnings ratio of 8.82 suggests it's undervalued compared to peers like Ventia Services Group and NRW Holdings. Despite this setback, Civmec operates in sectors with long-term growth potential like renewable energy and infrastructure development in Australia, markets that could provide tailwinds for future performance. Now let's zoom out for a moment and look at Singapore's economy as a whole. Data released today showed that Singapore's GDP grew by an impressive 4.4% in 2024, the fastest pace since 2021. This marks a significant rebound from the modest 1.8% growth recorded in 2023. In the fourth quarter alone, GDP expanded by 5% year-on-year, beating analysts' expectations of 4.7%. However, this was slightly lower than the previous quarter's growth rate of 5.7%. The recovery was broad-based across sectors, but particularly strong in manufacturing and financial services. This robust economic backdrop bodes well for SGX-listed companies across various sectors, especially those tied to domestic consumption and trade. As we wrap up today's digest, let's take stock of where things stand. ThaiBev. While short-term headwinds persist due to weaker spirits sales, its diversified portfolio provides resilience. Civmec. Despite a profit decline, its exposure to high-growth industries makes it an intriguing long-term play. Singapore economy. The strong GDP growth provides a supportive environment for equities overall. That's all for today. Keep an eye on these stocks as they navigate their respective challenges and opportunities in the weeks ahead. Thanks for tuning in to today's Singapore Market Digest. I'm Wei from the Investing Iguana. Stay curious and keep investing smartly. See you next time.